lot
take
of
care
cases.
of it. Lot of cases.
Pre-COVID and post-COVID, there were a
Yeah,
lot of cases.
lot of abandonments. People tend to abandon Labradors a lot.
Yes, yes.
Retrievers a lot because they have pugs a lot. They have a lot of health challenges in their late years. You shouldn't do that. I mean, it's the same story, right? Like imagine, I think personally, I mean, I'm deviating a little bit. I think anybody that wants to make such a drastic decision, you should always reflect and think, would you ever do the same to your own family, to your mother, to your father, to your child, to a sibling? Would you just abandon them? Would, you know, I wouldn't ever expect my child to abandon me if I have health issues someday, right?
ये एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है सवाल है अबैंडनमेंट। रेस्क्यू तो हम कर रहे हैं लेकिन अबैंडन ही नहीं होना चाहिए। ये गलत चीज़ है जो लोगों ने आजकल इख्तियार की हुई है। सी इफ देयर सम यू नो कोई अगर ऐसी मजबूरी है जैसे पीपल आर मूविंग अब्रॉड और दे आर यू नो समथिंग लाइक दैट, और कुछ और हेल्थ इश्यूज जैसे हैं कि आप पेट नहीं रख सकते घर में, वो एक बहुत ही अलग इशू है। बट गेटिंग अ डॉग और अ कैट और एनी पेट फॉर दैट मैटर और उसको अबैंडन करना, ये इससे ज़्यादा इनह्यूमन काम नहीं।
तो ये तो वहाँ से ये थॉट ही वहीं से आते, जैसे श्रेयोकी कह रही हैं कि आपका फर्स्ट थॉट ही है टू शो ऑफ ना। सो यू आर बाइंग अ डॉग और वट एवर एनिमल और पर्शियन कैट और टू शो ऑफ। सो व्हेन दे स्टार्ट हैविंग इश्यूज, दैट्स नॉट द फन पार्ट दैट यू एक्सपेक्टेड एंड देन यू लीव इट। तो ये भी एक कारण है। तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसे लगता है हाउ टू डेवलप दिस ट्रू लव फॉर एनिमल्स, व्हाट डू यू थिंक शुड बी द राइट वे ऑफ पीपल एंड एनवायरनमेंट का जो कॉम्बो होना चाहिए?
बस as I mentioned earlier,
सही तरीके से
it has to
मुझे लगता है कि मतलब इवन इफ यू डोंट वांट टू कीप एनिमल्स एट होम इट्स गुड, आप मत रखिए, लेकिन एटलीस्ट एक हर इंसान के अंदर एक कंपैशन उनके प्रति कि हम उनको हर्ट ना करें। जैसे देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस सर्कुलेटिंग एंड वायलेंस एंड थिंग्स बीइंग डन टू एनिमल्स, इनह्यूमन थिंग्स, फॉर जस्ट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, but somewhere
I don't know how can this be entertainment, hurting somebody, torturing a being, tying their limbs and hurting them and beating them up. It is so sad. It is so sad. And I think कि सिर्फ यहाँ हमको बैठ के उसके लिए दुख जाहिर करने से ज़्यादा तो ये होना चाहिए कि there should be strict laws. जो ऐसा कर रहा है उसको पकड़ो और आप उसको जेल में डालो, या वैसे ही 2 डंडे लगाओ जैसे उसने उस जानवर को सताया है, सेम वे।
Adding to this, I think that our government, the laws, the policies itself don't make you understand the gravity of what you're doing to an animal. For example, if you're hunting down a peacock, right? It's a national bird, it's a national animal, tigers, etc. There are strict laws. You can go to jail. You can't poach them. You can't hunt for them. But again, why has the government then, or the policies and laws that apply to animals have this distinction that okay, you can't do it to a peacock, but you can do it to a dog, or you can do it to a cow, or you can do it to a monkey, right? There should be equal punishment for all. That is a must. There was a very famous video years and years ago where in I think Chennai or Kerala, there was a man who threw the dog off a terrace and set it on fire, whatnot. There was a very famous case. He got off with a 500 rupee fine. So why is it that you can't do it to a peacock but you can do it to a dog? I think the discrimination started there and then, that you think it's a life that is disposable, that is in your hands because it will not harm you as much, it will not hurt you as much. That's not fair. So I think there should be stricter laws and policies.
We need that.
Yes, it's not just about people doing this to animals, it's about those people then doing whatnot more and having, you know, you're just increasing their capacity.
Absolutely.
And strength to do more things to than other humans also.
You're enabling them. Why is it that you go to jail for murdering a human but not an animal?
Yes, that's
There's first degree, second degree, third degree murder if it's a human. It must and should apply to animals as well.
Yes, definitely. Murder is murder. Taking a life is taking a life.
वो भी एक बेजुबान
है
जानवर की, जो आपके सामने लड़ नहीं सकता, टिक नहीं सकता, आपसे कुछ कह नहीं सकता।